asunder. Tried to stay afloat, but the waves came crashing down on me. Could have been better. Saw the signs too late, and now we're drowning, lost at sea. But I'm hoping one day they'll bring me back to you. You bring me back to you. We didn't make it, but I hope the tides will come and bring me back to you. Every summer, find myself reliving these old.
Hendrawan, saya menikahkan kamu dengan perwalian pada perempuan yang bernama Gustima binti Juardi dengan mahar sebidang tanah dibayar tunai karena Allah.
Saya terima nikahnya Gustima binti Juardi dengan mahar sebidang tanah dibayar tunai karena Allah.